This is Abdul. This is homework 3. So let me start with saying that homework 3 and homework 2 are similar concept, but they have different methods because this homework is way bigger than the previous one, which is homework 2, the messenger homework. This homework we have two separated files, server side and client side, while the previous one had only one file, including both server and client. So basically, same concept, different functionality, or bigger here. So let's start with the server side. Libraries, as you can see, storage, um, the function. Then we have the port right there. We're gonna start with the port number is what, because your index is the file's name. And here we're gonna stream. We're gonna use the reuse address to use addresses that are done or available to us. Bend your packet bend with the port. Listening to 10. If 11, we're gonna only listen to 10. The 11th is gonna be declined. Here we're gonna exit. This is not true. We're gonna shut down. And here we're gonna append the packets to packet list. As you can see, we have a list right there, empty one. Yeah. So we have a loop right there, and then we have the select right there. There's only we have to put like three variables or sequence here, but this is the most important one, the R list here. This is the important one. It's waiting to read. This is what we care about. So this one reflects on this one. Yeah, that's what we need. I think we can. Yeah, we can do timeout. Let's set it like 1. 2 is way. 2 is too much. So here we're gonna loop inside the ready, waiting for to read. We're gonna loop if it's equal to packets, which we have append right there, then accept. So here we're gonna accept everything. So we're gonna establish the connection. Gonna establish the connection, and we're gonna set the client, since we established the connection address to be accepted, client to be set to true, so we can know if it's still true right here. Then we're gonna decode. Well, first we're gonna get the pure number, and we're gonna see which one is which. So which peer has the, for example, which address has the message, or who's responsible for this message. We're gonna decode. We're gonna strip. Strip is like trimming the white spaces between. Let's say, this is a string. Yeah, so you have white space right there, white space right here. It's not correctly correct to be read by the both sides, so we have to make sure that there's no space at the beginning, and there is no space at the end. That's what we need. And else we're gonna send the packet, we're gonna send the I right there, and this is I'm sorry, I skipped this one. So we're receiving the 4096 and puff size. That's the data. If it's true, then we're gonna see. We're gonna do. If it's true, then we have another function. We're gonna set it to true. Then we're gonna do this one, which is trim the beginning and the end. Else, we're gonna send it directly. And here we have the else right here for this if it's true. If it's not true, then remove. Not true, just remove. And then accept. Except for the try, just break, don't do anything. Finish it. And here we have the functions send. So if the packet, we have messages, we have everything here. We are ready to send everything. We have encode. So try to send here. We send the sockets right there. Accept it. Just shut down. Like we have right here and there. Just shut down. Remove too. So this function right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 5, 6 functions are very similar, like this one. They're super similar, but this is another function. This is send and this is server. This server. This is send. And here this is when this is where we run the the main function. Is for server. The save, I guess. So we're gonna go client. I started with the server because server has a lot of details, but client has about 60 something. So client side, yeah, libraries, client function here, port, establishment, while true, read. Here we have the ready waiting to be wait to read. Same thing. See 4000. Data is none. If it's empty, please exit. Else print. And then we have the else. If it's not, if I is not packet, then we're gonna read line. And if not message, it's gonna exit and we send what we have. So we're gonna encode and send what we have. And this is the executing the code right there. So this is basically everything. It's similar ways, very similar to the homework 2, the messenger, but this one expand a little bit. Thank you.